Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to pull your hair out trying to decide. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two budget-friendly drones, the VISNEE newest drone and the SOTAONE S350 drone. Grab your popcorn and let's take off. First up, let's talk cameras. The VISNEE newest drone comes equipped with a 2K HD camera that's adjustable by 90 degrees, perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. Reviewers mention that while the camera quality is good, it lacks an electronic stabilizer, which can affect image stability. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 drone features a 1080p HD camera with the same 90-degree adjustability. Users appreciate the decent camera quality for its price, although it requires manual adjustment. While both offer good visuals, VISNEE edges out slightly with its higher resolution, making it ideal for those who prioritize camera quality. Now, let's see how easy these drones are to fly. VISNEE offers one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it beginner-friendly. Reviews highlight its ease of use and durability, although some users experienced connectivity issues. SOTAONE, meanwhile, includes similar basic features but adds gesture, voice, and gravity control, allowing for a more interactive flying experience. Reviewers find it a good starter drone, especially for kids and beginners, thanks to its intuitive controls. Both drones are user-friendly, but SOTAONE's additional control options make it more versatile. Alright, let's talk about how long you can keep these birds in the air. The VISNEE newest drone promises up to 30 minutes of flight time with its two 1,800 mAh batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, though some mention frequent recharging as a minor inconvenience. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 drone offers around 20 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable modular batteries. While it's slightly shorter, users find it sufficient for a fun flying session. If longer flight time is crucial, VISNEE is the better option. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. The VISNEE newest drone is packed with features like 360 degrees flips, automatic obstacle avoidance, and circle fly, making it a great choice for aerial stunts. Reviewers enjoy its maneuverability and fun features, though some experienced issues with durability. SOTAONE counters with 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and even VR mode. Users love the added interaction, especially the VR mode for an immersive experience. Both drones offer exciting features, but SOTAONE's VR mode makes it stand out. Both drones come in at a cool $59. That's right, folks, you can own a flying robot for less than the cost of a fancy dinner date. Reviewers find both drones to be excellent value for money, offering a range of features typically found in more expensive models. Whether you choose VISNEE or SOTAONE, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Overall, reviewers find both the VISNEE newest drone and the SOTAONE S350 drone to be excellent entry-level options, each with their own strengths. VISNEE is praised for its camera quality and longer flight time, though some users experienced connectivity issues. SOTAONE is appreciated for its versatile controls and fun features, making it a hit among beginners and kids. Both drones offer great value for their price. So which drone should you choose? If you're all about camera quality and longer flight time, VISNEE is your go-to. But if you want some extra fun features and don't mind a shorter flight, SOTAONE's got you covered. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high, stay smart, and we'll see you next time.